It's Eileen here, and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you my first Dollar Tree haul for the month of May, and I can't wait to share it with you. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified of my future uploads. So to start, I'm going to tell you I've been searching for these glass jars with the nautical type of rope around it. It's already on here. It feels nice and sturdy. And I thought this would be something fun to do a summer DIY with. Maybe throw some gems or some fairy lights in here, some seashells. And then I thought maybe even these decorative balls that I found that I wanted to show you guys. These might even fit in there. I found some small ones in dark brown and this light brown. And then I also found these in cream in the larger size, but I only found it in cream. Now I thought these would be really fun. You could throw them in a jar, a bowl, and it makes a nice little centerpiece for a table. So you guys might want to pick some of these up. In the other section on this row, I found this adhesive sheet in the silver. I've been looking for these in silver. These are a good find at the Dollar Tree. They have these at Michael's. You'll spend a couple of more dollars. And sometimes you could find these in other colors. I've only found them in this color and gold, and I did see them in red a lot. I think those were left over from Valentine's Day. So I was glad to find them in that silver. I also only found one box of these. This is an LED tea light, and it came with the crystal gems, so I picked one of these up. I also found this very pretty picture art. This says, "Let's Run Away." It is a picture of the world in this heart shape. I thought this was very adorable, and I thought that I might even jazz it up with some maybe nautical rope or something and hang this, and it would look really pretty. Because I did find the nautical rope. Everybody's been hauling the nautical rope, and I have finally found it at my Dollar Tree. So I picked this up too for a DIY. And then, you know guys, I like the garden, I like flowers, and I like to find stuff to pretty it up. So I found yet another flag. Last week I hauled the Memorial Day flag, and this week I found the July 4th flag. So I was very glad about that. And with the summer and July 4th and Memorial Day coming, they had a lot of decorations. So the only other thing that I did pick up was this wind spiral. This is what it will look like when I take it out the packaging. And I thought I would hang this up above my garden as well. It will twist and turn in the wind, and it'll probably look really pretty. With the same Memorial Day, summer, July 4th theme, I found for the boys these American flag socks. I thought these would be so perfect. They always have that theme day in camp, so I picked one up for each of the boys. With the summer, lips are always getting chapped. They had a ton of chapsticks out. I don't know if you guys have seen them yet, but they had them in different flavors for soda. I got this one in the grape Fanta, and I got this one in the orange Fanta. They had tons more in different sodas and candies, and I did take a picture to show you guys. They unfortunately do not say that they have any sunblock in them, so I wouldn't use these for the beach, but they probably would be good for nourishing your lips, so I can't wait to give these a try. And the last few things I got were just for the home, for kitchen and cooking, some minor little things. I found a silly little plastic butter dish. I've been needing a butter dish for so long. The boys are always buttering up this, that, and they're putting that stick of butter back in the fridge. It falls off the shelf. It makes a whole mess. And I did not want to get one of those glass ones and risk them dropping it and glass shattering because they're kind of clunky and heavy. So I found this one at the Dollar Tree from Cooking Concepts. It was just $1. Perfect. And last were these soup on the go mugs. I picked up one in green and one in blue. They had a couple of colors. I thought these would be great for myself. I like to take oatmeal on the way to running to work, and this should keep it hot. This is microwave safe. This is dishwasher safe. It has these little flip things to take it off. It has a vent right here, as you can see at the top, for the microwave. It's BPA free. This was definitely great for $1. So that was it for my first week of May hauling at the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and enjoyed the items I shared with you. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Please leave your feedback and comments. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that bell icon, and please stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Bye!